Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to learn how to make your text look like it's floating on strings? Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select Custom Size from the options. Enter your preferred dimensions to set up the canvas exactly how you want it. Go to the Elements tab and search for letters. Type the letter N in the search bar. Select from the available options to find letter designs you want. Select the Extend Graph Letter tool, then click and drag the letter from the Options panel. Position the letter where needed on your workspace to integrate it into your graph as shown. Go to the Limits menu again and search for the variable labeled E. Scroll through the list until you find E, and then select it to view or edit its current value as needed. You can also take this file and share it directly with others. Click the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Set their access permissions as either viewer or editor, and then click Send. They'll receive an invitation immediately. Click the arrow to move to the next slide. Review the content to determine if this slide meets your needs. Check for clarity, accuracy, and overall presentation. If adjustments are required, make any necessary edits before proceeding. Continue reviewing each slide in sequence to ensure your presentation is ready. Place the item in this area, or alternatively, position it here as well. Both locations are acceptable depending on your layout preferences. You'll notice that the first option gives you a straightforward, clean arrangement. The second option provides similar results, maintaining the structure and style you need. Regardless of where you choose to place it, the feature still remains intact and fully functional. Rotate the steel bar by clicking and dragging it to the right. Hold down your mouse button, move the cursor in the direction you want to turn the bar, and release when it's positioned correctly. This action will adjust the orientation of the steel bar as needed for your project. Confirm that the rotation is accurate. Set the position as shown. Adjust the item until it matches the location in the example. Check that everything is correctly aligned and placed. This ensures consistency in your setup and makes the next steps easier. Once the position looks correct, confirm the placement. Proceed to the next task to continue with the setup process smoothly. Select a circular element to create the rope hole. This can be done by choosing the circle tool from the toolbar. Click on your workspace where you want the hole to be positioned. Drag to set the size of the circle, matching the required diameter for the rope. Use the measurement box or input the specific value if you need precision. Next, align the circle with your main design. Use the alignment options to center the circle horizontally and vertically relative to the part. This ensures the rope hole is placed accurately. Once the circle is placed and aligned, check its position to confirm it meets your design specifications. Now, subtract or cut the circle from your base object to form the actual hole. Depending on your duplicate the selected element twice to create copies for the other letters. Select each duplicated element and adjust their size as needed to match your design. Next, position these elements carefully to align them properly on your canvas. Make sure each letter is evenly spaced and placed in the correct order. Use the Position Layers panel to fine-tune the arrangement and ensure a balanced overall composition. Double-check for any misalignment or sizing issues, and make adjustments as necessary for a polished appearance. Everything is now complete. All steps have been finished, and your process is finalized. You can review your information to ensure accuracy and make any final adjustments if needed. If everything looks correct, proceed to close or exit the application, depending on your workflow. Your task has successfully concluded, and there is no further action required at this point. You have completed the process from start to finish, and all sections are ready for the next stage. To export your project, click the Share button at the top right corner. In the menu that appears, select Download. Before downloading, you can adjust the export size to improve the quality of your final file. Simply look for the resolution settings and choose a larger size if you need better quality. Once you've made your selection, confirm by clicking Download again. Your high-quality file will be saved to your device automatically. Give your designs a lift with the hanging text effect in Canva, hit like, and subscribe for more creative tips.